Namaskara. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing to you all one of the most important topic in Carnatic vocal music, that is Alankaras. Alankaras are made with different pattern of swaras and tala. There are totally 7 different Alankaras, that is Ekatala, Rupakatala, Triputatala, Dhruvatala, Madhyatala, Attatala and Jampetala. Today I am introducing to you all Rupakatala, which is Chaturashra Jati Rupakatala. The tala for Rupaka goes like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are totally 6 swaras in Rupakatala. That is 1, 2, 1 Dhrita, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 Lagu. The first speed in Rupakatala goes like this. Sari, sari, gama, riga, riga, ma, pa, gama, gama, pa, da, ma, pa, ma, pa, da, ni, pa, da, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ni, da, pa, ma, da, pa, ma, ga, pa, ma, ga, re, ma, ga, re, sa. This is the first speed in Rupakatala. The second speed. In second speed, every tala will capture 2 swaras. Sari, sari, ga, ma, re, ga, ma, pa, ga, ma, pa, da, ma, pa, da, ni, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ni, da, pa, ma, da, pa, ma, ga, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. This is how Rupakatala in second speed goes. Rupakatala is Chaturashra Jati Rupakatala. The third speed in Rupakatala goes like this. Sari, sari, gama, riga, ma, pa, gama, pa, da, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. In third speed, every tala captures 4 swaras. We are singing last line twice to complete the tala. This is the 3 speeds in Rupakatala. Hope you enjoyed watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more knowledge, to know more about Alankaras and other things in Carnatic vocal music. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.